Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're talking about WHITEWHALE project, legit or scam. Before buy this project or this token, do your own research and let's get started. This is a meme generator and this is coin based on meme friends. As you can see here, this is on the about this token. This is oceans characters on this coin and smart contracts. So if I check the website here, you can add a text from here. You can copy your this token from here, copy this address. If I scroll down, you have a community here created by Hyper Pro, perhaps this one, and this is WHITEWHALE project, as I say. You have community on X. This is platform community on X. You can see here, this is the community with engaging as well. If I check this token, the price of this token on the chart is $0.043. This is all-time high of this token, and this is listed on LBank and PumpSwap and all this platform. There you see some engaging here. I see some engaging here on this community. This is good insight also. If I check this one, holders is 4.7 thousand members, total supply almost 1 billion of this token. I see the holders. You can see here a lot of holders with a lot of transaction. Last 1 minute, last 54 seconds. This is good insight. So friends, this is the holders and this is top 10 of this token distribution. So friends, anyway, before buying this token, do your own research. I give this token 6 on 10 and this is not financial